No cracked into you. Just putting a crack into you. Oh, you got a lot. Does anybody need me to get hold of anything?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, go then.
Oh. Fucking nuts. I was just saying to Kieran about have you done the plotting rooms in Dover?
Yeah.
They're the same sort of layout with the ladders.
Yeah.
It's quite a rare one, because our one, you just walk in straight off the fucking footpath, innit?
Yeah.
Whereas that,
The
obviously you got the stairs.
Incredible.
It's fucked. I don't understand. Like, you're so far up,
Yeah.
and you've got a lot more than what we've got. We've got like tiny little rectangle fucking rooms on the side of a road, innit?
Fuck though. Had a lot of war factories in it.
Let's do this. Oh yeah, definitely.
Little one.
Smaller.
Shit! The light's gone. The light went off. Oh, that's it. There's a drain there, look, for it. From there, look.
Fucking hell.
So this drain fell through and broke. You had to get another drain. There's a bed there. Is it a bed? I think it is, isn't it? Sorry. Obviously. You got your one in here?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
No, like graffiti, pristine, man.
Is that it? Is that
I think that goes round. No, I think that is it.
tiny as hell, this one, isn't it?
Yeah, the other one more corridors.
Not as big as I thought it was. Not the size of that, that's just what you do.
Yeah, you can just make out the sign on that one.
That must have ladies on it. That's a nice and quick bolt. Did you go round it, Nick? No. Dead end, right.
That's either from someone's lighter, or that's the old fucking lantern, isn't it?
Me too.
Blinded by the light. They are quite bright. The tiny little torches.
Sweet, small that one.
It's lower as well.
Yeah.
that one?
Yeah, it's the toilet door in there that sets it off different to the others.
So the one we did.
The first one I ever done was the one I first took you to, and I posted pics up, and the amount of people were like, "That's just a services tunnel," and I was like, "It's really fucking not."
That is a real small one, isn't it?
If it was a services tunnel.
Yeah.
And they were like, nah, definite services tunnel. And then I got into this one, and I was like, it's got a fucking toilet door. Fucking proof that is.
Go for a time.
Kind of like Torfield, isn't it? Just more squarer.
Fuel plants and everything. Lighting, everything down there.
Yeah, these are exactly like Torfield. So today, well tonight, we are underneath Luton. Should have been another entrance. Crackers lights work, mine don't.
Don't go into the light now, man. My fortune's starting to pay as well now. Recesses. Yeah. One like history hunters in front of us. All the way up to the south coast. We've done some good ones today.
Yeah.
How markets look guys?
It's still not.
That's it, look.
So you know you said about the one in Hastings?
Yeah.
This is exactly the same
Cut and shut.
layout,
Yeah.
but ours is curved.
Right, okay.
The top is all smooth. And
Yeah.
what they've done here, they did on the sides, isn't it? You can
Right.
actually see the grain of wood.
Yeah. That's another car. Yeah, car.
Should have been.
Yeah. The brick. Sorry? The brickworks, yeah. Yeah, you went brick up, yeah.
Slightly weird though, because it's still got the seating.
Yeah, it's still got the metal.
Yeah, we haven't got this in Torfield.
Right. The one that looked, road up. That's got the old, heating with the toilet underneath them.
Oh yeah.
Yes, the toilets. And the edge here, it's one of the way. Yeah. That's the way. There's You get the camera on the floor and everything. Yeah, I've got some pictures. Cool. Go on, use your set pictures of it.
Did you see the lady's shoe?
No.
Or the guy next to it?
Oh yeah, down there.